America's wild heart still beats, vast and untamed. On the Great Plains, bison thunder across golden seas of grass, while pronghorns sprint faster than the wind, embodying freedom. Rivers carve through the land, nourishing wetlands alive with bald eagles, herons, and countless migrating birds. These waterways are lifelines, sustaining a vibrant chorus of wildlife. In the forests, black bears wander and songbirds fill the air with music. Beneath the leafy canopy, hidden creatures thrive, each playing a part in the wild symphony. High in the mountains, elk call through misty valleys, and raptors ride the wind across ancient ridges. This is America the Beautiful, wild, timeless, and alive.